Weekday function is a simple function, but it has so many uses. Weekday function returns a number representing the day of the week from a given date value. The syntax of the weekday function is here. The function takes two arguments. The first argument is a serial number. It is a required argument. Serial number is actually the date value. Other argument is the return type. It is an optional argument. If you don't use return type argument, then Excel by default uses value 1 for this argument. As return type, you can use the values from 1 to 3 and from 11 to 17. Let's give you an idea how return type argument works. I have showed 3 examples here. If you don't use any value for the return type or you use 1, Sunday will be represented with value 1, Monday will be represented with value 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, and so on. If you use value 2 as return type, Monday will be represented as value 1, Tuesday as 2, Wednesday as 3, and so on. If you use 3 as return type value, then Monday will be represented as 0, Tuesday as 1, Wednesday as 2, and so on. You see, the worksheet has some dates and the corresponding days of the week. I showed the corresponding days just using a custom number format. Let's now use the weekday function to find out the corresponding number of the days. I select the first cell, type an equal sign, type weekday, opening bracket. As serial number argument, I input this date. As return type, I put value 1 after comma, press closing bracket, and press return. You see, the output is 3. As the return type argument is 1, so we shall check this list to match whether the output is correct or not. In this list, Tuesday is 3, so the formula returns 3. On the next cell, I input again an equal sign, type weekday, opening bracket, select the same date, press comma. As return type, I input 2. Press closing bracket and press return. The formula this time returns 2. As return type argument is 2, so this time we shall check the list under return type 2. In this list, Tuesday has the serial number 2, so the formula returns 2 is okay. I select the next cell, press equal sign, input again the weekday function, opening bracket, select the same date, comma. As return type, I input 3. Press return, the formula returns this time 1. As the return type is 3, so we shall check now this list below the return type 3. In this list, Tuesday has the serial number 1. So the formula returns 1 is okay. I select these 3 cells, just double click on the fill handle square box. The formula is copied to other cells in the columns. So in this way, we get the serial number of the days in these dates. This is the basic of using weekday function. In the conditional formatting section, we shall use the weekday function practically to format cells. These are the key takeaways from this lecture. You will get the downloadable copy of it with the exercise files and also in the lecture resources window. This summary will help you to grab the overall discussion of the video, print it or use it in your own way.